Welcome to my channel, Speedline Auto. Today, we're diving into a car that's making serious noise in the auto world, the 2026 Subaru Legacy. And trust me, this isn't just another update. This car just changed the game for mid-size sedans. You think you know Subaru? Think again, you won't believe what's inside. Let's start with the exterior. Because the Legacy's new design is a complete departure from the conservative styling we've seen in the past. The front end is bold and aggressive sharp LED headlights, a futuristic honeycomb grille, and sculpted lines that scream performance. The side profile? Pure class. Chrome accents, sleek character lines, and a fast back-style roofline that makes it look more like a luxury sports sedan than a family car. Subaru took some serious risks here, and they paid off now. Pop the door open and things really get wild. The 2026 Legacy features one of the most advanced interiors in its class. Front and center is a massive, curved touchscreen that seamlessly integrates both the infotainment and digital instrument cluster. And yes, it's responsive, intuitive, and loaded with features like wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and over-the-air updates. The materials: premium leather, soft touch panels, ambient lighting. This is luxury on a Subaru badge. But here's what truly shocked me. Subaru went all-in on driver-centric technology. We're talking about a new generation eyesight system with advanced lane centering, predictive pedestrian detection, and semi-autonomous driving features that rival what you find in way more expensive brands. This isn't just smart, it's next-level safety and intelligence. Under the hood, the 2026 Legacy offers a punchy, turbocharged boxer engine, delivering smooth power with excellent fuel economy. For those wondering, yes, Subaru's legendary all-wheel drive is still standard. The ride feels tighter, more responsive, and far more refined than before. If you thought the Legacy was boring to drive, think again. This car is balanced, confident, and actually fun behind the wheel. But here's the twist. There's also a hybrid option coming. And from what we've heard, dips aimed straight at the Toyota Camry and Honda Accord hybrids. With this move, Subaru isn't just staying in the game, they're redefining what the game looks like. And get this, Subaru has kept pricing competitive, which means you're getting premium level tech, luxury, and performance without breaking the bank. This car is no longer just a reliable commuter, it's a statement. So, is the 2026 Subaru Legacy worth it? Absolutely. It's smarter, sexier, safer, and more exciting than ever before. Subaru has finally stepped out of the shadows. This Legacy is proof they're ready to lead, not follow. If you're new here, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Speedline.